For the longest time now, I have desperately needed a dedicated soldering station where I can just put some electronics down, whether it be a circuit board or a phone, and just be able to solder stuff together, desolder stuff, all that. So that is why I went out and purchased all of this stuff. And today in this video we're going to unbox it and set it up. So I'm just going to go through the basic stuff first. So the first thing we have here is this awesome little mat. I believe this was about $10 to $15 on eBay, brand new. Also, I'll leave a link in the description for all of these products. But I'll just pull it out of the bag here, and it's a really nice silicone mat. It's just nice and stretchy. It grips to the table really well, and you have these nice little trays and everything to lay little pins or screws or whatever, little bits of solder or whatever, and you have this nice work surface here. So this is just going to be really super handy to be able to solder things on. The next thing is this helping hand with a magnifying glass on it. Now the soldering iron that I got does have helping hands on it, but this one allows for just the magnifying glass, which is super handy, and also it has these little wing nuts which just allow it to be just a little bit sturdier and hold things a little bit more solid, and it has a very nice weighted bottom. So I'll also leave a link in the description for this product as well if you want to pick one up for yourself. And the final product here is the actual soldering iron itself. So this is the X-TRONIC 3020 XTS soldering iron. First thing in this box, this also does come with a small little miniature silicone mat, but the one that I got is just a lot bigger and has like an actual work surface on it. But this will be nice and sufficient for storing small items and things like that. Here we've got the little wheel thing kind of that you put the solder wheel on. Let's see, looks like we've got, this is the actual soldering iron itself, along with, there's the solder, and how do you get this out of here? Okay, there we go. We also have the little solder gun holder and the helping hands right here, which these are nice, just flexible, it's actually very stiff, nice helping hands as well. And then here's the actual soldering iron from X-TRONIC. As you can see, we've got our tip tinner little thing right here. It has like a little holder on it, the little foam pad thing there, and we've got the power switch. It's got a nice, very smooth dial with a digital display, and then you have a little switch down here at the bottom to switch between degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius. So that is actually super cool. So let's go ahead and install everything and kind of build this soldering iron, and then we're going to go set it up at my new soldering station. that is my new soldering setup. I am super stoked to have this setup here. As you can see, I've got other stuff like my voltmeter and some electronics repair stuff in there. So we've got just the complete area, just do electronics repair or build and solder things. So super happy about this setup. I am also super happy with the X-TRONIC soldering iron. I picked this thing up for about 50 bucks, and it comes with tip tinner, tip cleaner, as well as a roll of solder. And I'm just super stoked about the rest of the equipment as well. If you guys want to pick some of this stuff up for yourself, I will also leave a link for each of these products down in the description below. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am super stoked to finally have a dedicated soldering station. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.